Your miter saw might be cutting crooked and you don't even know it. Most factory fences are off by a degree or two, and that error compounds on every single cut. Here's how pros could gap-free joints every time. Step 1. Check your fence for square before you cut anything. Butt a framing square against the fence and blade, or do a test cut on scrap and check the angle with a combination square. If it's off, loosen the fence bolts and adjust until it's dead true. Step 2. Mark your cut line with a sharp pencil or a marking knife, not a thick marker. Always cut on the waist side of the line, leaving the line itself intact. This alone fixes most of the sizing errors beginners make. Step 3. Clamp the workpiece flat against the fence and table using a hold-down clamp. Never trust your hand alone for the final cut. A shifted board is the #1 cause of blown-out, inaccurate cuts. Step 4. Pull the trigger and let the blade reach full speed before it touches the wood. Lower it in one smooth, steady motion, never forcing or jerking. Let the blade fully stop spinning before you lift it back up. Pro tip: tear out ruins clean cuts on plywood and trim. Score your line first with a utility knife or lay painter's tape over the cut path before sawing. Follow for more workshop tricks like this. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.